Hi, welcome to Wall Street Confidential. Deborah Borchardt, joined with Jim Cramer. And right now we're talking about ExxonMobil. They came out with the biggest profit ever, $11.6 billion.
It doesn't matter. I want everyone to read the testimony yesterday by Aubrey McClendon in the Clean Skies Initiative that he has going. He is largest shareholder in Chesapeake Energy. That's the CHK. And he's responsible for 9% of the natural gas drilling, 4% of the natural gas production. And it's it's an excellent, very thoughtful presentation, as everything is by Aubrey. But one of the things that he really stresses here is the majors versus the independents, and how the majors are spending a fortune but really not having much luck here. Mm-hmm. Exxon is a bond with a bit of a kicker for the price of the commodity, but Exxon has never believed in the price of the commodity. They've never believed that it would ever get to this high. So They have not turned on the juice. Exxon, I believe, should have borrowed billions or to use them as catalyst. You know, they buy back stock and or take the dividend up or something. But they've been disappointment in terms of finding oil. And they've also I've had their own struggles with expropriation, as all the majors have, because they have to go to these foreign countries, and the foreign countries want more of the revenue. I would not, when I rank the oil stocks, I always rank Exxon last because it's the safest, but that doesn't necessarily push the best return. If you were to call me and ask me if you're diversified and you had Exxon as your oil, I always endorse that. You need an oil. Mm-hmm. But it is the least growth. Favorite. It's the least growth. And although they're very good at replenishing.
Is it because they're too big? Are they
a lot of it's full of large numbers, Deborah. You're absolutely right. But a lot of it is they simply did not think that oil would get to these prices, unlike Chevron, which bought Unocal, which was very, very smart, and unlike all the natural gas companies that were just totally poised to take advantage of any price increase. Natural gas, by the way, is still half as expensive on a BTU, on an energy basis, as oil. I was disappointed in Exxon, as I have been for the last 2 quarters.
Disappointed, though, even with these big numbers.
Stock's at 52-week low 2 days ago. Yeah. It's down for the year.
Yeah,
I mean, so I don't care about big numbers, obviously.
It's down for the year, but it's still beating the S&P 500.
Well, so. but oil's up, at one point, was up 50%. It doubled, I mean, over year. So Exxon's clearly not the play. I mean, it's just not the play for this group.
Okay.
I like Occidental more of the majors. I like Chevron more of the majors. But more importantly, I like the independents. I think Devon's great.
Names.
Yeah, and these stocks are all coming down today, so why not buy them?
Okay.
Because I remember oil's range bound. I think oil's going to break 120. Between 115 and 119 is where I think it goes.
Okay, so ExxonMobil, your least favorite.
Least favorite.
Forget it.
Yep.
Thank you, Jim. Deborah here, and stay tuned for more at thestreet.com TV.